Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use while loop in Java. So learning basic concept is always important. So let's get started. For this video, I'm using IntelliJ IDEA Community Edition. You can use any idea of your choice. So let's start by creating a Java class. I'll name this learn while loop. So if you watch my previous videos, you know that we can create the main method by typing ps, pm and pressing tab in our keyboard. So while loop is also a loop like for loop that we use to iterate some amount of times. So first I'm going to decide how much time we are needing to iterate. So I'll I will take our iterating time as 10 and I'll store it in the variable x. So if you remember for loops, here we are declaring another variable called I. So in the while loop as well, we are needing another variable. So I'll create another variable called I and I assign it to value 0. I assign it to value 0 because we are going to start our iterations from the value 0. It will go increasing as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, like onwards. So let's create a while loop. While we need to run this loop as far as this condition is true. That means if I is less than the value x, I need to run the inside these statements. So for simplicity, I'm just going to print the value I inside the loop. So if I run this will run infinitely because after running this line, value of I is still 0. I is the value of I is not changing. So that means every time I is less than 0. That means 0 is less than 10. This is always true. So this loop will run infinitely. Because of that, each time I need to increase the value of I. So I will do that here. I can write this as like this. Or there's another simple way, that is this. This line and this line are same. They do the same thing. So because of that, I'm gonna remove this and I'll keep this. So let's run and see what will happen. So you can see first at the beginning value of I is 0. So it checks this condition. That means it checks whether 0 is less than 10. So that is true. 0 is less than 10. That is true. No? So it will print this statement. So it will print 0. Then it will increase the value I. So now I will be 1. Now it checks whether 1 is less than 10. That is also true. So it will print 1. Then increase I. Likewise, this will go on. It will check for 2. It will check for 3. And it will check for 4. Then it will check for 5. Then 6. Then 7. Then 8. Then 9. So here you need to understand that when I is 9, when we run this line, and now value of I is 9. So we check whether 9 is less than 10. So that is true. So this line will execute and we will print 9. Then we increment the value of I. So now the value of I will be 10, and here it will check whether 10 is less than 10. We can't say 10 is less than 10, so that is not true. So it doesn't go inside of the while loop. So that means it doesn't execute these two lines and it will come out of the loop. Okay, so that's how while loop works. So I hope you find this video helpful and understanding. And in the next video, I'm going to teach you how to find the max element in an integer array. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and hit the subscribe button to my channel. Let's meet in another video. Thank you.